Paging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Legally Speaking. I'm Melanie van Aarde, a paralegal here at Aitken Robertson, and today we are discussing a critical piece of evidence that comes up frequently, especially in domestic assault cases. It is what is known as a KGB statement. To help us understand what it is and why it matters, I am joined by criminal defense lawyer Virginia Delinska. Virginia, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a KGB statement?
So a KGB statement is a sworn video recorded statement made by a witness, often the complainant, outside of court, usually made to the police. It's called KGB statement because of a Supreme Court case, R versus KGB, that set out the rules for when these kinds of statements can be used as evidence in trial. So essentially, it's a way to introduce out-of-court statements if the witness changes their story or refuses to testify later on in trial.
So this comes up a lot in domestic assault cases, right?
Absolutely. So in domestic files, it's not uncommon for the complainant to recant or refuse to testify or say they no longer remember what happened. That's where the KGB statement comes in, or it becomes critical actually. If it was taken properly when the complainant or with the complainant under oath, complainant warned about the consequences of lying, and with legal procedural safeguards, then the Crown can try to use it at trial even if that person no longer supports the prosecution.
So how does it actually get used in a trial?
So if the complainant shows up and says something different from their original police statement or refuses to cooperate in trial, the Crown can apply to have the KGB statement admitted as evidence. If the judge agrees, the jury or judge can hear that original version or that original statement, and they may believe the KGB statement over the live testimony in court. So it becomes a powerful tool for the Crown because it preserves the original accusation, even if the complainant now no longer wants to participate.
That sounds really serious. So what happens if a KGB statement was never taken?
Great question. So if a KGB statement wasn't taken properly, meaning it wasn't recorded under oath or without legal safeguards, then it's usually not admissible if the complainant changes their story in trial. In that case, the Crown may struggle to prove their case, especially if the complainant is hostile, recants, or refuses to testify. The defense can then argue there's not enough reliable evidence to support a conviction.
So in short, it can really make or break the Crown's case.
Absolutely. So a properly taken KGB statement can support a prosecution, but without it, the case may fall apart. So especially if there's no other strong evidence, like injuries, video evidence, or third-party witnesses.
Well, thank you so much, Virginia. This is such an important part of the domestic cases that many people, especially those accused, don't really understand.
That's right. And if you're charged with domestic assault, it's crucial to know whether a KGB statement was taken because it can dramatically change the legal strategy and the strength of the Crown's case.
Thank you so much for watching Legally Speaking today. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more legal insights every week. See you next time. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defence. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.